This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Wednesday, the 18th of March. I'm Michael Groff. A wet day ahead, widespread rain increasing across southwest and south central Arizona through the morning hours. We might see a few embedded thunderstorms this afternoon, and a couple of those might be on the strong or even severe side. Obviously, our greatest concern with any rain today will be the potential of flood or flash flooding, especially in the favored spots that have already seen some heavy rain this month. We'll see the rain continue into tomorrow and then a little bit of a break before more rain expected late in the weekend or perhaps early next week. When might this pattern come to an end? We'll take a look at that too. First, yesterday in the valley, 75 degrees the afternoon high, 58 was the morning low, the normals 77 and 54. Outside now, here at 8:35 a.m., cloudy skies out there. We've had a few light showers around. Sitting at 59 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 43, humidity 55%, the winds are light, and the barometer is falling. Temperatures out there this morning, 47, the cool spot up there on Thompson Peak, but just about all of us across the metro are in the 50s to near 60. Radar across the area this morning does show some widely scattered showers here across the valley, with an increase in rain across southeast California and now moving into southwest Arizona with our main upper low beginning to drift our direction. And we'll see that rain overspread the area through the morning. The upper air look this morning, there's that low just off the Southern California and northern Baja coast. It'll be swinging east, a diffluent flow out ahead of it, and that will set the stage for increasing moisture and instability as we go through the day today. Here's the watch warning map. We've got winter weather advisories for a good portion of the Plain States through the Rockies, a winter storm warning for parts of northern Arizona, including the Rim Country. And so if you're up around Flagstaff heading down toward Payson, yes, you're going to be seeing the snowflakes flying as we go through the day today. Convective outlook for today, we've got the enhanced risk of severe storms around Abilene, Wichita Falls, Texas, up to Oklahoma City. The marginal risk for a fair portion of west and central Texas and on up into much of Oklahoma. And a marginal risk for the adjacent areas. Here in Arizona, we're in the green, thunderstorms expected. Severe weather, not a major threat, but we certainly can't rule out one or two isolated severe storms today, as we'll outline in a moment. Precipitation for the next 7 days from the WPC, rain amounts in Phoenix between 1/2 and 3/4 of an inch, and of course any one spot could get a little bit more than that. Heavier totals, of course, just to the north and east of Phoenix with the favored upslope flow there. We'll get into the details of this weather pattern now as we explore the models and have a look. This is the GFS, the 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. There's that upper low pivoting into northern Baja, a diffluent flow out ahead of it as mentioned. So down at the surface, cloudy skies this morning with widely scattered showers. Rain becomes widespread. We'll see those periods of rain heavy at times and embedded thunderstorms expected this afternoon as well. And yes, a couple of those could get on the strong or severe side. Highs this afternoon will generally be in the mid and upper 60s. Likely that we've already seen our high temperature for today around midnight, but we could sneak up there again if the sun peeks out before the rain sets in. Taking a look at a forecast sounding coming off of one of our convective allowing models. This is the 3-kilometer NAM at 5 o'clock this afternoon. And, bulk shear values are not overly impressive on this run, although I think the shear component will be closer to about 50 knots in the atmosphere. This is showing 31 knots. Nevertheless, the winds aloft will be reasonably strong. Cape values between about 700 and 900 joules per kilogram, and lapse rates will be decently steep. You see the possible hazard type on the right there is marginal tornado. And I'll tell you, I really don't think that we have a risk of a tornado today, but given the very cold air aloft and a small veering of the winds with altitude, as has been the case with other systems that have come through, if one of these storms gets rooted in the boundary layer this afternoon, can't rule out a very brief little cold air funnel or maybe a spin-up tornado at some point as the main band of storms comes through this afternoon. Not really a big concern. The primary risk from storms today is going to be the potential of heavy rain and flood or flash flooding, and a few storms may have some hail and gusty winds as well. Then, as we go through the rest of tonight, showers and storms will continue. Then we'll see a decrease as we go toward tomorrow. We'll start the day out mostly cloudy with a chance of showers. We'll probably see more sun as the afternoon progresses in, though. High temperatures tomorrow will be a bit cooler, low to mid 60s. Friday looks pretty decent, partly cloudy skies, high temperatures mid and upper 60s, and then low 70s on Saturday with partly cloudy skies. Sunday, we're looking at partly sunny skies, Maybe a shower across northern Arizona later in the day, but I think the majority of Sunday probably stays dry too. And then Monday, another weak system comes on through here. This is not looking as impressive. Still, a chance that we could see some showers, but if we do, they'd be on the light side. High temperatures, upper 60s and low 70s. Same thing on Tuesday, a slight chance of a shower. Partly sunny skies and highs, low 70s or so. Here's a week from today. This is Wednesday, the 25th. We've got another system coming down the west coast, a positively tilted trough. Cold air aloft, southwest flow out ahead of it. So a chance of showers may return sometime toward the middle part of next week, a better chance of rain. And then going out 10 days to the end of the period, this is Friday, the 27th. And that looks like a zonal flow for a change, with the main storm track starting to retreat back toward the north. Our sprawling ridge that has been sitting there into the Gulf of Alaska and the Aleutian Islands shifts a little bit to the west and south, and that sort of allows the storm track and the overall pattern to relax just a bit across the continental United States. So I think we would see somewhat of a decrease in our chances of precipitation and more normal temperatures to return. Speaking of temperatures, checking those out off the national blend of models. Yeah, we stay below average for the next 10 days or so, although we'll get closer to normal as we get out there toward the end of the month. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. Updates sooner if necessary. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever we post a brand new video, you'll be alerted. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thanks so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. Be safe out there. You guys have yourselves a great Wednesday.